In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Surfshark VPN on your Firestick so you can keep your streaming secure, protect your connection, and access content safely from anywhere. Click the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price. First, start on your Firestick home screen and navigate to the Find option. Then, select Search. In the search bar, type in Surfshark, and you'll see the Surfshark VPN app appear in the results. Click on the app, then select the Surfshark icon under Apps and Games and click Download. The download and installation process is very fast and usually only takes a few seconds. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be prompted to either log in or sign up. If you already have a Surfshark account, simply enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one right from the app. Surfshark will guide you through the sign-up process so you can get connected quickly. After logging in, the app may request permission to set up VPN configurations on your Firestick. This is a standard step for VPN apps and ensures that your internet traffic is routed securely through Surfshark servers. Click OK to allow it. On the Surfshark home screen, you'll see a large Connect button. Pressing this button will connect you to the fastest available server automatically, which is perfect if you just want a quick and secure connection. If you want to access content from a specific country or region, you can scroll through the list of servers and select one manually. This feature is particularly useful for streaming services that restrict content based on your location. Once connected, your IP address will change, and all your internet traffic will be encrypted. This means your online activity is private and secure, protecting you from potential hackers or trackers. You can even check that the VPN is active by opening the Silk browser on your Firestick, visiting a site like whatismyip.com, and verifying that your IP address has changed. Surfshark also includes additional features that can enhance your experience. You can enable the kill switch to make sure your connection stays secure, even if the VPN disconnects, or activate Clean Web to block ads, trackers, and malicious sites while browsing. These tools help you maintain privacy and enjoy a smoother streaming experience without interruptions. And that's it. You now have Surfshark VPN fully installed and working on your Firestick. With Surfshark active, you can safely browse, stream, and access geo-restricted content from anywhere in the world without worrying about security or privacy issues. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Surfshark for yourself and get access to all premium features at a discounted price.